If you've ever tried learning piano the traditional way and felt bored, confused, or just stuck, you're not alone. That was me too. All theory, no fun, right? But then I found Pianoforall, and it flipped everything for me. Instead of starting with sheet music and scales, you start by playing real songs, using chords, just like how guitar players learn. You'll literally be making music in your first session. The theory, that comes later, after you've already played something cool. Piano for All also teaches you to play by ear and read music over time, using a super chill visual approach. So whether you're a total beginner or just need a fresh start, this course makes piano finally feel doable. Want to try it out? Click the link in the description to check it out. And if you're interested, you can purchase lifetime access for under $50. No subscriptions, no pressure, just piano your way.